How's the CA job, accountant job is different in UAE than India? And now, can you share some tips for people who want to search job here in Dubai? How to prepare for accountant and CA job in Dubai? Salary ranges for if someone work after +2 as cashier or coast clerk. So now tell us about the major qualification and the best salaries. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I am making very special video today, and this video is about accountant job in Dubai. I have got so many messages on my Instagram. Also, I get so many comments on my videos to make video about accountant job in Dubai. And as many people are waiting about job vacancies in my videos, so I want to tell you I have shared some job post on my job page, which you can see over there. Page name is Dubai Life and Job. There is so many vacancies for accountant, for cashiers, for construction field, production supervisor, beauticians, and many more job vacancies you will find there. So please make sure you go and check out that page for latest job vacancies in Dubai. So alright guys, here today I have Mr. Manohar with me. And he is accountant in Dubai, like I said, and he's working in Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi from last 6 years. And guys, before we go ahead in the video, please like this video, subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more updates. So hi Mr. Manohar, can you please introduce yourself and tell us about your education background?
Hi guys, this is Manohar Jannalgadda. I am from Andhra Pradesh, Ongole. And I qualified CA in 2011.
Can you tell about what did you graduated in which stream?
Actually, after +2, I took CA. I didn't do any graduation. Straight away, I entered into CA after +2. And I completed CA within 4 years. After that, I worked New Delhi for 3 years.
Right. How is the process to do CA directly after the +2?
CA, there are 3 levels in CA. After +2, we need to enroll for ICAI. They have entrance, that is CPT. Now it's become a foundation. After that, there is intermediate course, IPCC. There, after completion of CPT, we need to wait for 9 months. Then we'll get attempt for CA Inter, that is IPCC. Once we cleared IPCC, then we can enroll for articleship. If we do 3 years of articleship, that is apprentice under a qualified chartered accountant, then we are eligible for final examination. Once we qualify final examination, there will be communication skills program. Once we completed all, we will get membership from the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India.
That's very good information. So Mr. Manohar, this after +2, if CA, it can be done by any place in India or specific?
Yeah, it is a professional course. You can do anywhere. There is no college or anything like that. You can study your own and you can write exams.
So directly you contact the...
Yeah, we need to enroll to Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. Then we can take coaching anywhere, wherever you like, you can take.
But in your house or coaching center, anywhere?
Yeah, self-preparation.
Self-preparation, you can do anything.
Anything.
Can you please tell how did you move to the UAE from Delhi?
One of my senior, he's working in Abu Dhabi. There is internal auditor's position in that company. He just referred and I sent my mail, my resume to that company, and I got a call from that company for assistant manager internal audit position in a hospital.
Right. So it was through a personal reference and you got the job directly from India. It was online interview or something, and
yeah, it was online interview. Actually, I have 3 years experience. Still, they are considered me here as a fresher only.
Right.
So it is better. We have 3 years experience in India. Then only they will consider our profile as at least as a starting person. Otherwise, it is very difficult to get a job
directly here. Directly after CA is difficult.
Yeah, it could be, but we will get a very minimum salary, and very difficult. Out of 100 jobs, 90 jobs we will get who are having minimum 2 years experience in home country.
Right.
If a fresher, we will get only 10%, and that is also very less salary.
Very less salary. So Mr. Manohar, can you give some idea about the first salary you got in UAE, like range?
The first salary 8 to 10,000 I got in UAE.
Starting salary
after having 3 years experience in India.
So Manohar, before we go into further details about CA and accountant jobs in Dubai, can you please tell us when is best to do CA? Is it after +2 or after BCom, and what are the differences?
See, it is very better to do after plus two. In my case, I was a science student, and after that, after plus two, I took CA. I cleared CA within 4 years. So anybody can clear after plus two. It is very better to take after plus two only. If you take after graduation, it will take 3 more years. Then CA, CA percentage is 5 to 10%. Then it is very difficult. If somebody is not confident, then they can go for BCom after completing BCom graduation. At least 30 to 40% of the CA syllabus will covered in the BCom. Then it would be very easy for them to clear CA. It is up to their personal choice, but it will take 3 years extra time.
So okay, Manohar, that was very good to know about the knowledge about the CA qualification. And can you please tell us about your current job position and the salary range you are having now?
I am working in healthcare industry, and I am working at present as Group Assistant Manager Finance. The salary range would be into 25,000 after having 5 years experience in UAE.
So Mr. Manohar, can you please tell us about different job positions in finance and accountancy field in Dubai and related qualification and salary ranges?
See, everybody will think who knows counting money, they are accountants, but it is not do so. A professional accountant should have a basic qualifications. So whoever not having even a BCom degree, they may be accountants or cashiers or
some people work as
clerks also, assistant accountants like that. But their salary would be 2 to 3,000 maximum. But if they have a graduation and having relevant experience in their home country, minimum 2 years, the starting salary could be 3,000 to 4,000 maximum.
Right, this 3-4,000 for someone who graduated in BCom.
Yeah, BCom right. Or BBA. Even for MBA also, if they are not high level colleges, they also will get same salary range.
3 to 5,000.
Yeah, 3 to 5,000.
MBA finance.
Yeah, MBA finance also same like BCom. They will treat if you will not do in a premium institutes.
So how about like the salary ranges for if someone work after plus 2 as cashier or coast clerk, or after BA or after BBA as a accountant?
Yeah, the salary ranges only 3 to 4,000 here. See, whatever current salary you are getting in India, it approximately 2 to 3 times of that salary you will get here as a starting. See, you should have a professional qualification, then you will be considered for the managerial positions. Even though if you didn't clear CA or ICW or CMA or even though CFA, if you are middle level, your profile will be considered for assistant manager range or senior accountant range, and you have 2 years experience in your home country, then your starting salary range would be 5 to 6,000 or maximum 7 to 8,000 for the middle level positions.
Right. That is for which qualification and experience?
See, you started CA but you didn't qualify fully. So
right.
In between you left, or you did the 3 years of articleship and you have a relevant experience, but you are not a CA.
Okay, so you know CA work, you know how to do CA job, but you are not qualified CA. So for those salary ranges is like 6 to 8,000 or something.
Yeah, the starting may not be that much,
right.
Maybe 4 to 6,000. But in progress, if they have 2 years experience in UAE, then they will easily reach to 8,000.
Right. So now tell us about the major qualification and the best salaries for this qualification.
Here mostly to CA and SCCA and USCPA, they will consider these for the managerial positions, and CMA also they will consider for the middle level management positions. So if they have a minimum 2 years experience in UAE, then they will get easily 12 to 15,000 salary. If they don't have any experience in the UAE, then their salary ranges from 8 to 10,000 maximum. Now we will go to the senior positions, that is a manager and finance controller and CFO. The manager's positions, we required a minimum 10 years of relevant experience in UAE, then only they will consider your profile for a manager. The manager's salaries could be ranges from 20,000 to 40,000, and the finance controller salaries positions could be 30 to 50,000, and CFO positions mostly the 50 to 100,000. It depends on industry and what type of industry you are working and type of company. It is a multinational or local company. Depends on that your salary will be decided.
And also I think depend on years of experience.
Yeah.
And
See, if you want to become a CFO or finance director, you should have a 20 years of experience and relevant industry. If you keep on changing your industry, nobody may not be considered your profile for the CFO or finance director position.
Right.
See, any person professionally qualified, they know how to handle, but in the same industry, they know they already handle the same situations. Then it is very easy for them to handle. So all the companies, they're looking for a same industry or similar industry working professionals.
so guys, I hope Mr. Manohar have shared already very good and brilliant information in the video. So please watch this video until the end, because now he's going to share about how to prepare for accountant and CA job in Dubai. How's the CA job, accountant job is different in UAE than India?
See, in India there are so many compliances, be it professional PF, ESI, and TDS, and income tax, GST, and for if you have loans, bankers, stock audit, so many, so much work in India compared to UAE, and year-end audits, internal audit, external audit, so much compliance as per Indian taxation. Here there is, UAE, they don't have direct taxes, and in 2018 they introduced the indirect tax, that is VAT, but compared to India, the compliances are very less here, and the work pressure is slightly lesser compared to India here.
Okay, that's very good to know that the work is relaxed than India here, and of course getting 3 to 4 times salaries as well. So now the more important thing for the people who are in college, maybe they are studying in +2 or maybe they doing their BCom graduation now, how they should prepare themselves, or even someone working in India as accountant or CA, how those guys should prepare themselves if they want to come and work in Dubai.
See, they should have all the required qualification for an accountant, the softwares required for accounting, that is majorly here Tally, Joho Books, and QuickBooks. If company is large and multinational, they have SAP and IFS and Oracle. So they should know how to work in these softwares. And apart from this, every accountant should have the knowledge about the MS Office, especially Excel. That too, in Excel, XLOOKUP, VLOOKUPs, and pivot tables, these are very important to do your job very easily. For any managerial positions, we should at least know the basic, not basic, advanced level of Excel, that is including Power Query and Power Pivots, VBA. These softwares, if we know, we can present a better manner to the top level management. So anybody want to become a top level manager, so they should have excellent presentation skills, so that it will get through MS Office only. That is, as an accountant, we will analyze data through Excel only, so we should have a very professional experience in Excel. See, after learning the accounting softwares and MS Office, you should work at least 3 years in a good organization where you have the good experience in bookkeeping and receivable management, payable management, and general ledger accounting, even audit and taxation. Then it could be added advantage in your interview. You can face any type of interview. The experience will add value to your resume. Then only they will consider your profile for any job in UAE.
So Manohar, that is very good to know all that excellent information about accountant and finance field. And now, can you share some tips for people who want to search job here in Dubai?
See, to get job in Dubai, there are 3 ways. One is through reference. Second is you pay to somebody who search job for you. That is
Through consultant.
Yeah, through consultants only. Otherwise, you need to come as visit visa and search for job here. Everybody may not have the reference, so
Right.
you need to have very good social networking. That is the LinkedIn. So through LinkedIn, you will come to know the good positions, and you can apply directly to that. Otherwise, you have a relevant experience, then you come as in a visit visa, and you can search here Naukri Gulf or Indeed. So many websites are there. See, if we have a relevant experience, then only it is
Then only come on visit visa.
come on visit visa. Otherwise, you will come here and you don't know how to search job, and if you go for any interview, you don't have a relevant experience, they may not consider you for the accountant or senior accountant jobs. Then you will last almost around 1 lakh minimum
On the job
salary.
search. So alright guys, I hope Mr. Manohar have shared very good information in this video. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. And if you need any further information, I will share Mr. Manohar's LinkedIn profile in video description. You can go there, check his LinkedIn profile and send directly message to him. And also I want to share that if you are really planning to come on visit visa, you can plan for August and September months, because in October there is Dubai Expo 2020 starting, so there is more opportunity for everyone. And also if anyone need help with Dubai visa or flights, you can contact me on my Instagram, which you can find on my video description. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. How's the CA job, accountant job is different in UAE than India? And now can you share some tips for people who want to search job here in Dubai? How to prepare for accountant and CA job in Dubai? Salary ranges for if someone work after +2 as cashier or coast clerk. So now tell us about the major qualification and the best salaries